swashbuckling lesbians that pull swords out of their hearts, 7 deadly reasons why my wallet hates me, and a look at everyone's favorite R-rated DC classic that doesn't star John Cena in tidy whities. Welcome to Where's the Figure, the pseudo-investigative news segment where we look at pop culture properties we've fallen desperately in love with and ask the age-old question, where's the figure? What's pouring thirsty thoughts? Once again, I'm Sugoi Supergirl, and this is tonight's co-anchor, a lovely, sultry little bitch I'm gonna call the Revolutionary Squirrel. It has La Gritona tequila, woman-owned and woman-distilled, might I add, as well as a peach and walnut vinegar shrub that's woman-made, and that woman is me. Welcome to today's show, where there's too much cool nerd shit going on and I get my hands and knees to beg for more toys I don't fucking need. Our top story today, recently following in my watch queue thanks to Funimation, a 90s carnival of aesthetic ambiance, sick music, and the gayest of all magical girl delights in Revolutionary Girl Utena. A convoluted, yet somehow simple tale of a girl who has decided to become a prince, while not sacrificing her femininity. Her co-star is Anthe, the gorgeous and demure Rose Bride who holds Utena's fabulous sword in her heart. Dueling, pomp, and general gender fluidity? Beautiful backdrops and a soundtrack to rival Sailor Moon? Toy Boy, if you will. I can already imagine it. Some figures or figmas of the girls, maybe on horses, maybe in their battle gear. 1/7 scales of the girls in their formal wear, or any of the fresh as fuck villains that are on the show. Our next plea is directed at my current favorite Netflix original, The 7 Deadly Sins. Not to be confused with the 7 mortal sins. This incredible tale of love that spans the centuries, the dangers of propaganda, and a riveting world edifice construct an atmosphere that leaves you sweating over fates and begging for backstories. And it has the Backstreet Boys, too. The show gets rather unfairly shit on by little babies who haven't developed personal empathy yet. And the power creep is interesting and frustrating in the best of ways. However, I'm here to preach the word of the characters of the 7 Deadly Sins. You haven't seen a shonen with this many strong, flawed, interesting, capable femmes whose stories actually matter. The boys are in touch with their emotion and struggles too, and the dialogue always feels like either a meaningful conversation between friends or a viciously enticing wordplay with villains. Now, some of the villains are a bit laughable. I will give you that one for now. But I have these two to be cool for the rest of them. The point though? The point? Netflix and Kodansha are leaving money on the table if they don't pump out some figures or figure arts of these bad motherfuckers. I am already crying over the merch that does exist. The happy tears for my pop-up parades of the main characters coming in December, and melancholy tears lamenting these, what's a good way to put it, inexcusably bad sculpts. Listen, not only does every character in this show drip hard as fuck, they have such distinct, beautiful, Dragon Age-like art styles, weapons, and personalities. And if you don't want to see this big beautiful hoe in 13-inch scale right next to her compatriots, then I guess...
Fuck you, Summer, and fuck the government, and fuck me for letting my guard down, which I will never do again.
Moving on, we're crawling out of this horrible goddamn anime hole I've dug myself and exulting over Birds of Prey, the best femme-led R-rated movie I've seen since Atomic Blonde, and the only good ensemble film DC has tried to cobble together. Of course, before Suicide Squad came in, James Guns a-blazing. I'm sorry. The Suicide Squad. My co-anchor has some breaking news. Ooh, this just in. Homemade shrubs are better than anything you can get out of a can. Okay. Thank you very much, La Gritana. Birds of Prey is a DC team-up between various anti-heroes and protagonists in Gotham that had many members over the years. Batgirl, Black Canary, Manhunter, Batwoman, Catwoman, Power Girl, Batgirl again, Vixen, and my favorite, Vic Varda. This bad bitch cast solves crimes and stops some straight-up bullshit in Gotham and beyond. As of February 2020, they have been translated into raunchy, gory, ugly, beautiful live action with a fucking killer soundtrack. Which begs the question, toy companies, did y'all fuckers watch the movie? There were more messy sluts in that movie than Steel Magnolias. Did you know that? And I want a figure of the messiest slut of them all. Roman fucking Sionis, aka Black Mask, aka the Sopranos that you didn't really know you wanted, but the Sopranos that you actually needed. I mean, for the love of fuck, look at the character designs of this movie. And all y'all could manage to bang out were a couple of, admittedly, really good figures of Harley Quinn? You messy bitch. Give me my Harley Quinn 12-inch diamond doll. Give me my Black Canary with gold Trans Am and a microphone. Hey, Monster Arts? Give me Bruce! This has been a Where's the Figure update. Black Girl, Black Canary, Manhunter. Black Girl.
Batgirl.
What did I say at
You
first?
keep saying Black Girl.
Well, maybe we shouldn't have put Black Canary right next to something with two consonants. Okay.